Hey guys, it's Tom, just doing a quick Airsoft update. Finally got those clips I ordered off tomMillerMedia. They came from Hong Kong. Came in that package. Got some stickers. It's my friend Taylor playing some COD 4, really laggy. So here's the two clips. I got them for $50. They're 500 round high cap magazines. Are for the tactical ones, that's why they're not as curved. Metal bottoms, ABS plastic. So here they are. In the like they go pretty good with it. So now I have 3 clips, including the one that came with it, and these two. 1 second. You can see that they're not as curved. They're a lot longer. Almost it. There it is with the regular clip. Whoa. And here it is with the brown. Looks kind of funny, but they work great. Fine. Pretty good. So yeah, just a quick update for these new clips I got from tomMillerMedia. Good site. If you're looking for parts, I recommend you go check it out.